Today we will be discussing the various resources available on the National Weather Service Spokane's webpage for those with holiday travel plans. This video will demonstrate how to 1. Obtain a customized weather forecast for your particular location, including an hourly forecast, 2. Obtain a travel forecast along your desired travel route, and 3. Look up information about area mountain passes. Okay, let's get started. First, we will want to pull up the National Weather Service Spokane's homepage by typing in www.weather.gov/Spokane. Once the web page loads, you'll see various resources on the web page, but we'll start by looking at how to obtain that customized weather forecast that I had mentioned. So there are two different ways to do this. The first way is either to click on your location on the map here. So let's just say you live in Spokane. You would click Spokane on the map there, and that's going to bring you to the web page for the forecast for Spokane. You can also use this map here to get more specific with your location. So let's say you wanted to click on more of the Meade area. You could do that as well. The other method to bring up a customized forecast for your exact location is to simply type it in the search bar here in the upper left hand corner. So let's just go ahead and type in Spokane again. And again, it's going to bring you to that same web page with a forecast for the Spokane area. If you want an hourly forecast, there's again two different ways you can do this. You can either click the hourly weather forecast link here in the top right, or you can scroll down and click hourly weather forecast here. And again, this is going to give you the hour by hour forecast for temperature, wind, precipitation chances, and then precipitation and snow amounts. So now that we have looked at how to pull up a customized weather forecast for your exact location, let's go ahead and look at how to pull up a travel forecast along your specified travel route. So we'll start here by clicking the travel link here on the left hand sidebar, and that's going to bring you to our travel page. Again, there's a couple different ways that you can find out the weather along your travel route. The first is similar to any navigation website. You would simply type in your starting and ending location. So let's just say you're starting in Spokane and traveling to Seattle for the holiday. You would do that. You would also choose your departure time. So let's say you're leaving tomorrow, and you would click go. This is going to give you your turn-by-turn directions, again, as you would get with any travel site. But more importantly, we are concerned with the weather. So this route will highlight different concerns you may see in weather conditions along that route, and you can change these weather concerns or customize them in this custom or criteria customization bar here. So let's say you're concerned with any snow. You can drag this snow and sleet bar down to 0, and it will now highlight any snow accumulations along that route during that time frame. Let's say you don't want to be notified unless there's at least 2 inches in the forecast. So then you would just drag that up to 2 inches. And then you would want to hit Update Map to re-highlight the map. So you can see the area down here that was originally highlighted in yellow has now changed to green because we've changed the snowfall criteria. Let's go ahead and put that back down to 0 and hit Update Map again. And if you want to know what the weather hazard is that it's highlighting along your travel route, you just simply click the segment of the route there, and along I-90 snow showers are likely with up to 1 inch of accumulation. The other way to go about this is looking at more of a region-wide scenario. So let's go ahead and clear our route and zoom back out. And again, now we're looking at across the entire region here, all the different interstates and highways. And let's go ahead and go back to that criteria customization, and again specify what we're concerned with. Let's say we're really concerned with any snow over an inch, so let's go ahead and drag that down here and hit update map. And now we can see there's a couple different areas that are highlighted in red, which means they're expecting over an inch along that segment of roadway. We'd also want to change our time period here of when we'll be traveling. So let's say we're traveling Thanksgiving morning. So let's go ahead and click that. And then you would zoom into the area of road that you're interested in. So again, let's say we're traveling over I-90 here, and we would just click on that segment, and you can see along I-90 we're expecting snow with up to 3.5 inches of snow accumulation expected within that time period. Also on this web page, there's different travel and transportation resources. By clicking on the state of interest, it will bring you to the state's DOT or transportation website. And finally, for those that are going to be traveling over area mountain passes, if you click on the seasonal link in the top right hand corner here, and then click mountain pass information, this will bring you to a website with all the links for the different mountain passes. So let's say we'll be traveling over Snoqualmie Pass here. If you click Snoqualmie, it's going to give you webcams, current conditions, any current restrictions, and other information that may be useful for you during your travel time. So hopefully this information has been helpful for you to make some decisions on your holiday travel, and we wish all of you a happy and safe Thanksgiving.